doesn't want to eat her healthy food. Mama, Jiro doesn't want to eat her healthy food. Jiro doesn't want to eat her healthy food, Mama.
Oh, okay. Maybe you can get Jiro some worm. Jiro loves worm.
Why is his foot all messed up? Can you help me, please?
Okay. What do you want?
I want sit. I want.
Owen, what are you eating?
Garlic.
Garlic? Oh my goodness.
I'm eating healthy food, but
Oh.
Jiro doesn't want to eat this. She
Oh.
doesn't want to eat her healthy
Yeah, she likes worm. Is that garlic leaves from the garden?
food. Yeah.
How it tastes like?
Spicy, of course.
Of course. Silly mama. Selamat makan. Are you guys hungry? You're hungry, huh? It's lunchtime. Bismillahirrohmanirrohim.